Welcome back to my channel. If you've ever accidentally deleted a super important file, emptied your recycle bin a little too quickly, or formatted the wrong drive on your Windows PC, you know that sinking feeling. It's like your stomach drops, and you start frantically searching for ways to get your files back. Trust me, I've been there. But today I want to introduce you to a game changer, RecoveryFox AI. This is an AI-powered data recovery software for Windows that's designed to make lost files a problem of the past. I'm genuinely impressed by how smart and simple it is. So, here's how it works. RecoveryFox AI uses artificial intelligence to scan your drives and find every last bit of lost data. Whether you've accidentally deleted files, even with Shift+Delete, or you've formatted a drive, lost a partition, or run into corrupted file systems, RecoveryFox AI has your back. And get this, it supports pretty much everything. Internal drives, external drives, USB sticks, South Dakota cards, even cameras. Plus, it handles all the common file systems like NTFS, exFAT, and FAT32, and can recover documents, photos, videos, audio, zips, 3D graphics, and more. The process is super straightforward. 3 steps. Select where you lost your data, start the scan, then preview and recover. The cool part, you can preview files, photos, videos, documents before you actually recover them, so you know exactly what you're getting back. And it even restores the original folder structure and file names, which makes organizing your recovered stuff so much easier. Best of all, RecoveryFox AI is completely non-destructive. It works in read-only mode, so your data stays safe. No risk of corrupting or overwriting anything during recovery. The interface is user-friendly too, so you don't need to be a tech wizard to use it. If you ever find yourself facing data loss, stop using the affected device immediately. Seriously, don't save anything else on it. Download and run RecoveryFox AI from a different drive, and make sure you save any recovered files somewhere other than the original location. There's a free version you can try out to scan and preview your files, and if you need to recover them, there are flexible paid plans. Even a lifetime license if you want to be covered for good. So, if you want to unlock your lost files and take the stress out of data loss, give RecoveryFox AI a go. Check out the full details at the link in the description. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.